All right, this is my dad's Weber Genesis Silver. It's a 2-burner. He's had it for over 20 years. The igniters went out, so I got on Amazon and grabbed a couple of them. I don't know exactly which one he needs, so I bought both. I'm going to walk you through the process of changing it. If this video helps you out, please hit the subscribe and like button. So we're going to dive right into it. All right, the first thing I notice is I have to take this plate off. So these knobs have to come off, which is cake. And then underneath here there's 2 screws. You can see the notch right here to get your screwdriver to actually see the screw head. There's a notch here for the second one. So let's grab a Phillips. It's like sheet metal screws. There's one. There we go. There's 2. This is supposed to pop off. Oh boy. So that's the red dot igniter. So his takes the red. I'm tempted just to put this wire on and see if that works without pulling this button off, but we might as well try it after we figure out how it comes off. Looks like it's got 2 clips that need pushed in. It's just gonna be, there we go. So that was easy. Now we got to get inside here. And there's a tab right there that needs bent back. And then see, it's got the tab on the new one too. Probably just need a clean. There we go. But before I get too far into this, I probably should test this one out. Weights on the side. Let's do a test. Yep, it's sparking. I can see it. So pull this back off. Take this bad boy off. Pull it out. Oops. Now that's why I wasn't working right there. It wasn't even connected. I probably could have just connected this, but I didn't take the time to look. Always something. Weight on the side. Where's that clip right there? Yeah, it still works. Whoa, this got shocked too. We'll put the new one on. So this has to come off, this white. Because there's a second hole at the bottom, right there, that the white wire goes through. So there's actually 2 holes. Hook the white back up. Oh, that does not feel right. There we go. And now I need to bend this clip back up. That's good enough. I hate pulling wires on and off constantly. Okay, let's see. There we go. So that's a win. Now we can just throw everything back together. Black on the bottom. Go. My screws. Now she's on. Okay, hit the like and subscribe button if this helped you out. Here's what it looks like. We'll do another test. That's it. Hopefully this helps somebody out. Hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Oops, I just burped.